Welcome to Motivational Routine, where we explore affirmation challenges, positive mindset practices, and cultivating a positive outlook. In this video, we will discuss the power of affirmations and how they can transform your life. Are you ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery and personal growth? Today, we will dive deep into various techniques that will help you develop a positive mindset. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an inspiring video. Now, let's get started with our first affirmation challenge, repeating positive statements daily. By consistently affirming positive beliefs, you can rewire your brain and attract abundance into your life. Engaging with our audience is crucial, so feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. Take a moment to breathe and relax, allowing the affirmations to sink deep into your subconscious mind. Imagine yourself as a person radiating high positive emotions, attracting success and happiness effortlessly. 1. I am capable of handling whatever comes my way. Say it with me. I am capable of handling whatever comes my way. 2. I radiate positivity and attract good things into my life. Repeat after me. I radiate positivity and attract good things into my life. 3. I am in control of my thoughts, and I choose positivity. Say it out loud. I am in control of my thoughts, and I choose positivity. Now, here comes your affirmation challenge. I challenge you to repeat these affirmations every morning for the next 7 days. Before we conclude, I'd like to remind you to subscribe to our channel for more motivational videos like this. Thank you for joining us today on Motivational Routine, where we inspire you to create a positive and fulfilling life. Remember, you have the power to shape your reality and cultivate a positive outlook no matter the challenges you face. Stay tuned for more valuable content and enjoy your journey towards a happier and more successful life.